Hi guys, in today's video we are going to talk about tips on how to pass your nursing and midwifery council exam. The first one is understand the exam format. You have to familiarize yourself with the structure, the question type and the timing of the exam. The second one is study the syllabus. Study everything that is in the syllabus. Nursing and midwifery council are not going to leave the syllabus to ask you something that is not there. And also focus on key subjects like your anatomy and physiology, your massage, your normal midwifery, your complicated midwifery, your infant, child health, family planning, management, research, and so on. You need to also read the minor subject too, but focus more on key subjects. The third one is use reliable study materials. Review your textbooks, guidelines, and past question papers from trusted sources. See that your minds for midwifery students, hold it tight, because they need to go to that textbook and pick question line by line. So study your textbook, anatomy, massage, study it. Fourth one is study your past question paper, because if you study your past question paper, you are going to get comfortable with the formats and it will improve your speed. Imagine maybe the question you solved last, what you saw in the exam, is going to increase your speed. Fifth one, join a study group. This council exam now is not time to stay alone. You know, the past questions, they are very boring, but if you join a study group, it's going to give you the motivation to go ahead, and you people are going to revisit your textbook, maybe mouse for midwifery students, revisit the mouse and solve any incorrect question from the past question. Don't get rationale for it. The sixth one is master time management. When I was writing my nursing exam, there's something that we did, as in our whole class, we kind of time ourselves. Just did it like examination time. We time ourselves and we brought out a question to solve. So we are just assuming that we are in the exam, or you can just do it on your own or in your study group. You time yourself. Maybe you bring out 100 questions and you give yourself like 1 hour or 2 hours to answer 100 questions. So this will help you to manage your time very well, to also improve your speed. Seventh one is improve your critical thinking skill. This current nursing and midwifery council exam is going to test your ability to make clinical decision. They are going to also present you case scenario. What do I mean by this? Instead of them to ask you what are the complications of diabetes mellitus, they are just going to give you a scenario like 38 years old man came into the ward with a blood glucose level of 300 milligram per dl and it was not treated. What is she going to present with? Maybe they will now list option A, polyphagia, B, polydipsia, 3, diabetic retinopathy, and 4, dizziness. Asking for the complication. So with your critical thinking skill, you are going to now deduct it to, these people are asking about complication of diabetes mellitus. So bear it in mind, they are going to give you, you are going to see more of case scenario, and this is why most people do fail paper 2 in midwifery. Like, but the next, stay updated in best practice. Keep up with new nursing guidelines and protocol. This especially in research. You know, when people submit their project, you get to see that they are not even using the correct upper referencing format. They are not even using it. Even in test citing and everything, they don't know it. So you have to, stay updated with new guidelines and protocol. The next one is take care of yourself. This is not the time for TDB, till daybreak. Have mercy upon yourself. That is why I said start early. If you start early, it's not going to choke you. You sleep, rest, prepare yourself, be organized. The next one now is stay confident and be positive. You have been preparing for this exam for 3 years of your life. You abandoned everything, to write this exam. So why will you be scared? Why will you be afraid? You don't need to be scared. Stay positive, remove fear, stay calm. And one thing I've observed is that if you kind of stay calm, you will finish on time. Even if there is no time, if you keep rushing or fidgeting, see that your brain self will not concentrate. Be calm. Read a question carefully, because this current exam is very, very tricky. So you have to read it carefully and stay calm. The final one is, don't play with your OSCE, that is your practical. Don't play with it, because if you feel practical and pass paper 1 and paper 2, you are failed. You do not pass any exam, because it's the practical that is the main cocoa. And listen to instruction. Don't be too fast or too quick to start exam. Input your exam numbers. Next video, I'm going to talk about what to do before you enter exam hall. So stay tuned as I bring more and more interesting videos to you. Bye.